Okay. In the recently we discussed about two characters, almost three characters, and a simple story of proposal. Okay. There was Natalia, Chubukov, and Lomov. Lomov is our main hero. Natalia is that person who this guy wants to marry, and Chubukov is Natalia's father. Okay. हमने देखा लास्ट वी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट दैट द एंटायर कॉन्सेप्ट he was reaching the point, but before reaching the point he starts his story from a one end portion कि एक ज़माने में हम दोनों दोस्त हुआ करते थे, there was a big, हम दोनों पड़ोसी हुआ करते थे, बचपन से दोस्त हैं, something like this. Okay. And again Natalia, well, I never knew that before. How do you make that out? Lomo, पेज नंबर 147 पे फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, 6 नंबर का लोमो पे आ जाओ. How I am speaking of those oxen meadows which are wedged in between your birchwoods and the burnt marsh. Natalia, yes, they are ours. Lomo, no, you are mistaken. Honored Natalia, they are mine. Here there is a confusion between the oxen. Okay, sit properly. That oxen belongs to you or it belongs to me. Natalia, just think, Ivan, how long have you been yours? How long have they been yours? That oxen belongs to you. कब तक ये तुम्हारे थे ये? Lomo, how long? As long as I can remember. जब तक मुझे याद है वो मेरे ही थे. Natalia, really you won't get me to believe that. Now Lomo again, the entire paragraph starts. But you can see from the documents, Honor Natalia, oxen meadows, it's true, were once the subject of dispute, but now everybody knows that they are mine. Means she is telling that we have a document also where it says that now it belongs to me. It's mine. There is nothing to argue about. You see, my aunt's grandmother gave, okay, it's Rab. Grandmother gave के बाद क्या लिखा हुआ है?
The free use of.
Yes, the free use of the meadows and perpetuity to the peasants of your father's grandfather, in return for which they were to make bricks for her. Here it says that something is given to you, and meadows means the area or that portion to construct something. They were made to bricks for her. The peasants belonged to your father's grandfather, had the free use of meadows for 40 years and had got into the habit of regarding them as their own when it happened. That here there is a mistake between both these terms. That's both these characters, Natalia and Lomo. This Lomo came for the proposal, but they accidentally switched the topic about auction meadows. Okay, Natalia, no, it isn't at all that. Both grandfather and grandmother reckoned that their land extended to burnt marsh, which means that auction meadows were ours. Means what? This belongs to. Now the story is moved to an area. पता चल रहा है कहाँ से कहाँ जा रही है. पहले वो प्रपोजल के लिए आया था, लेकिन बाद में जगह के बारे में बात होने लगी. जगह फिर वहां पे ऐसा बोला गया कि इसे लिखा है both grandfather and mother discussed that their land extended to burnt marsh, which means that auction meadows were ours. Now that area belongs to us. I don't see what there is an argue about. It's a simple silly, it's a simple thing. No, I'll show you the documents. Now Lomo says that I have also documents. I'll show you. Okay, no, Natalia says, no, you are simply joking or making fun of me. What a surprise. We have had the land for nearly 300 years. She is telling that I have a land for 300, or means we have a land for 300 years. Our ancestors are taking care of the land, and now suddenly you came from nowhere and telling that land belongs to me. Okay, this happens when you spontaneously does not reach the point. Okay, when you are going to say something to someone, if you will reach the point directly, then this will not happen. Are you following class? कि अगर आप स्टोरी बनाने में लग गए तो प्रॉब्लम आपको भी हो जाएगी और उनको भी हो जाएगी. सपोज कोई और बात की कुछ और बात निकल जाए, तो यहाँ प्रपोजल तो साइड में गया, यहाँ तो जमीन पे झगड़ने लगे दोनों. ओके, नाउ वी हैव हैड द लैंड फॉर नियरली 300 years, and then we're suddenly told that it isn't ours. Ivan, I can hardly believe my own ears. These meadows aren't worth much to me. They only came 5 designations and are worth perhaps 300 rubles. Rubles is a one kind of, currency. 300 rubles, one kind of currency. But I can't stand unfairness. Say what you will, I can't stand unfairness. Here Natalia says that from you came suddenly and you says that it belongs to us, and Natalia says it belongs to me. Lomo. Now Lomo is trying to explain himself. Hear me out, I implore you, the peasants of your father's grandfather, as I have already had the honor of explaining to you, used to bake bricks for my aunt's grandmother. Yani he says, this Lomo says that your grandfathers used bake bricks, यानी पका हुआ ईंट कहते हैं उसको, bake bricks for my aunt's grandmother. Now my aunt's grandmother wishing to make them pleasant. Now they are explaining that. Natalia, I can't make head or tail of all this about aunts and grandfathers and grandmothers. The meadows are ours, that's all. Means whatever you are telling, everything is false. The meadows belongs to us. That's it. Okay, I'm not going to confuse or puzzle me or myself in your aunt, grandmother, grandfather, whatever it is you are telling. But the main point is what meadows belongs to us. Lomo said no, it's mine. Natalia, oh, ours. You can go on throwing it for 2 days and on end. You can go and put on 15 dress jackets, but I will tell you they are ours. तो 15 भी कपड़े पहन के आओगे तो वे मेरे ही रहेंगे ही. तुम कितने भी तैयार हो जाओगे ये रहेंगे तो हमारे ही. Okay, and here the fighting before marriage fighting starts. But I tell you they are ours. I don't want anything of yours and I don't want to give anything of mine. So there, नहीं तुम्हारा कुछ चाहिए, नहीं मैं अपना कुछ दूंगी. तुम अपने रास्ते, मैं अपने रास्ते. Lomo, Natalia, I don't want the videos, but I am acting on principle. If you like, I'll make you a present of them. I don't want videos. I want a present. It's like I am acting on a principle. Means whatever it is, it's mine, and whatever it is, it's yours. I am just telling that. Natalia says, whatever it is mine only. Natalia, I can make you a present of them myself because they are mine. Your behavior, Ivan, is strange to say the least. Up to this, we have always thought of as a good neighbor, a friend. Last year, we lent you our threshing machine. You know, the threshing machine is used in farm to thresh the entire portion. Okay, वो गेहूं के खेत में ज़्यादा यूज होता है. जो काटना होता है ना फसल, उससे उसकी जगह थ्रेशिंग मशीन यूज करते हैं. वो बहुत रैपिडली काम करता है और काफी समय बचाता है. Okay, so now Natalia is telling the story that you know what, I thought you were a good neighbor. We were a good neighbor. And last year we lent your own, our threshing machine. Although on that account we had to put off our own threshing till November. Means November तक मैंने तुमको दे दिया तो हमारा काम यहाँ pending रह गया. But you behave to us as if we were gypsies. Gypsies means what? You know what gypsies? Anyone? Gypsies word सुना है gypsy? Okay, gypsies is like the person who is not a permanent to settle. They are Banjaras. Gypsies actual word are Banjara. It means in Hindi it can Banjara. They are not settling at a proper place. They are moving from one place to another place. Account of their job. Means suppose झूम कल्टीवेशन में से आप में से किसी ने झूम कल्टीवेशन सुना है? दिस वर्ड इट सेज जहाँ पे खेत हम ऐसे हमने पढ़ाई था ये जहाँ पे खेती करी जाती है उस जगह बाद में खेती पूरा होता है तो उसे जला दिया जाता है, फिर वो ब्लैंक हो जाता है, फिर दूसरे लोग आते हैं. तो दैट जिप्सीज डू दैट काइंड ऑफ स्टफ. वो पर्टिकुलर जगह जाते हैं, वहाँ पे अपना काम करते हैं, अर्न करते हैं, फिर दूसरे जगह चले जाते हैं. इट सेज जिप्सीज. Okay, Banjara, not giving me my own land indeed. No, really, that's not all neighborly. In my opinion, it's even impudent. If you want to, no, it's improper. Now, see, the situation is changed from a proposal from a jacket to land, and now it's definitely a fight between Lomo and Natalia. Okay, Natalia, it's not true. They are ours, mine. That's it. Now. Okay, sorry. Yes, Lomo. Then you make out that I am a land grader. Land grabber means what? Zameen hadap lene wala. That's a land grabber. Madam, never in my life I have grabbed anyone's else land, and I shan't allow anybody to accuse me of having done so. Means he said that I have never done this kind of stuff in my entire life, and no one is allowed to put a point on me or a finger on me of doing such things. ओके मैंने आज तक अपने लाइफ में कभी किया नहीं, और मैं किसी को ऐसा हक भी नहीं देता कि कोई मुझे इस तरह की बातें बोले कि किसी की जमीन हमने हड़प ली हो. ओके now quickly steps to the carafe and drinks more water. Now again this portion, this guy is literally over the excited person, more excited person, where it takes lots of water to drink. He takes lots of water. तो again पहले भी उसने पानी पिया था जब उसे बात स्टार्ट कर ली थी, और अभी भी झगड़े के टाइम उसे पानी पीना होगा. तो फटाफट दौड़ के पानी पीने चल रही है. नटालिया, इट्स नॉट ट्रू, देयर आर लोमो माइंड. ओके, तो दोनों झगड़ रहे हैं अभी. ओह, Natalia, it's not true. I'll prove it. I'll send my mowers out of the meadows this every day. Lomo, what? My mowers will be there in there every day. Okay, Lomo, I'll give it to them in the neck. You dare? Lomo clutches at his heart. Auction meadows are mine. You understand? Mine. This place belongs to me. That's it. Okay. Lomo, if it wasn't, madam, for this awful excruciating of palpitation in my whole inside wasn't upset, I talk to you in a different way. Yes, oximeters are mine, ours, mine, ours, mine, ours, mine. And Chubuko, what's the matter? What are you shouting for? Now here, girl's father arrived in the drama. Okay, चलो तुम यहाँ से पढ़ना स्टार्ट करो.
What's the matter? What are you shouting for? Natalia, Papa, please tell the gentleman who owns often knows we or
Okay.
he.
Okay, here we will change the method. I want one girl as a Natalia. Here in this class, one girl stand as a Natalia. Who will? You? Okay, stand up. You will act for a while, Natalia. After that, I will switch the character. One character as a Lomo, who can speak properly. You will? Okay, come up. After that, I will change. Okay, एक काम करो, खड़े रहो. Now one character as a Chubuko. Yes. अब इसी तरह चलेगा. Okay, so अपना अपना टर्न आएगा. After 2 or 3 conversations or 5 conversations, we will switch the character. It's not necessary that Lumo will consider as a male only. I will cast as a female only. Okay? चलिए, अभी start कहाँ से होगा? चुबुको से.
What's the matter? What are you shouting for?
Papa, please tell this gentleman who owns Oxford Meadows, we or he.
Darling, the meadows are ours.
But please, how can they be yours? You be a reasonable man. My aunt's grandmother gave the meadows for the temporary and free use of your grandfather's building. The peasants used the land for 40 years and got accustomed to it as if they were their own. When it happened that...
Okay, stop. Here Lumo says that here Lumo is expressing his point that Stephen, okay, now please Stephen, honorable Stephen गायब हो गया. How can they be yours? ये आपके कैसे हो सकते हैं? Don't be reasonable man. My aunt's grandmother, मेरे आंटी के नानी जी ने, और grandmother's नानी also gave the meadows for the temporary and free use of your grandfather's peasants. Means मेरे दादी जी ने temporary आपको दिया था, permanent नहीं दिया था. It says here, okay, it was just a temporary to free use. Does not belongs to you. It is given to you. That's it. Continue.
Excuse me, my precious, you forgot just this, that the peasant didn't pay your grandmother and all that because the meadows were in dispute, and so on. And now everybody knows that they are ours. It means that you haven't seen the plan.
Okay. Now here, this guy, as a Chubuko explains that it does not belongs to you. It belongs to us only. Whether it is given to temporary, it belongs to us. Again.
I prove to you that they are mine.
You won't prove it, my darling.
I shall.
Dear one, why yell like that? You won't prove anything just by yelling. I don't want anything of yours and don't intend to give up what I have. Why should I? And you know, my beloved, that if you propose to go on arguing about it, I had much sooner give up the meadows to the peasant that you that.
Okay.
I don't have.
Stop. Here at last it says that if you are crying too much, I'll give you. At last. Okay. 3 of you sit down. Good. Now 3 characters in girls only. One for Lumov, one for Chubukov, and one for Natalia. Natalia, stand up. Which character? Stand up. And one character for Lumov. From girls only. इसके बाद बॉयज का टर्न आएगा. ओके ओके कंटिन्यू.
I don't understand. How have you the right to give away somebody else's property? You may take it that I know whether I have the right of or not. Because young man, I am not used to being spoken to in that tone of voice, and so on. I, young man, am twice your age, and asked to spoke to me with
Without agitating.
Yes, sir?
Without agitating.
Without agitating yourself and tell them.
Okay, stop. See here, Chubukov says that before that, Lumov said that I am not getting that this property belongs to me, and you are showing a gesture. You are showing a gesture that beta लो ले जाओ अगर तुम्हारी. I don't want that kind of sympathy. It belongs to me. Then how you are going to give me? पता चल रहा है चुबुको उसको किस तरह समझा रहा है. नहीं लुमोव चुबुको किस तरह समझा रहा है. चुबुको says that see, you are a young man, I am an old man. I am not able to fight like this. If this belongs to you, okay, then take it. Plus, okay, don't raise voice. Now, yes, Lumov.
No, you just think I am a fool and want to have me on. You call my land yours, and then you want me to talk to you calmly and politely. Good neighbors don't behave like that. Stepan, you are not a neighbor. You are a grabber.
Okay. Now here Lumov is telling that एक तो काम तुमने खराब कर दिया है और कह रहे चुपचाप सीधे सीधे बैठे हो, चिल्लाए भी ना, रोए भी नहीं, मारोगे भी, रोएंगे भी नहीं. Something like this. Now you are getting the point कि आई कहाँ जा कहाँ रही है ये बात. And I think it's a useless story. कोई काम की स्टोरी मुझे दिख नहीं रही है. पता नहीं चले जमीन मिलेगी भी या नहीं मिलेगी. Proposal is definitely rejected. तुम किसी के घर कुछ मांगने जाओ और बोल दो कि तुम कल वाली जो चीज थी ना जो तुम लेके गए वापस दो पहले मेरे को. समथिंग लाइक दिस. अभी इस तरह चल रहा है. अब तो नटालिया उसका बाप ही मारेगा उसको. चलिए आगे बढ़े.
What's that? What did you say? Papa sent the moles out to the meadows at once. What did you say, sir? Oxen meadows are ours, and I give them up. We will see. I will have the matter taken to court, and then I will show you. To court? You can take it to court, and all that. You can. I know you are just on the lookout for a chance to go to court, and all that. You
Pettifogger.
You pettifoggers, all your people were like that. All of them.
Okay. He is just saying तुम सब एक जैसे ही हो. Simple. Again.
Never mind about my people. The Lomos have all been honorable people, and not one has ever been tried for
Embezzlement.
Embezzlement like your grandfather. You Lomo, have had mercy of your family, all of you, all. Your grandfather was a
drunkard.
drunkard, and your younger aunt
Natasha.
Natasha Nihal.
चलेगा नताशिया ही रखो, सर ने अपने को ऐसे भी नहीं आया.
Natasha ran away with the
Architect and so on.
architect and so on.
Here चुबू अब now दादाजी का दिमाग खराब हो गया है. चुबू को is it's like in Hindi used to say गड़े फोड़ दे उखाड़ना. He is doing something like that because Lomo started. Here चुबू के is that you सब एक जैसे हो, तुम्हारी जो आंटी वो भी किसी के साथ भाग गई. Something like it. Now Lomo.
And your mother was humpbacked, something pulling in my side, my head, like water.
And चुबू को means अब Lomo उनकी हमें गाली दे रहा है. अब चुबू को
Your father was a dribbling blackboard, and there haven't been many babysitters to equal your grand. My left foot has gone to sleep. You are an intriguer. Oh my heart, and it's an open secret that before the last elections you breathed. I can see stars. Where's my head?
means here they चुबू को एक तो दादाजी लड़ सकते हैं, and then also he is trying to fit. So he says my left foot has gone to sleep, means I can't feel my left portion. Okay, and you are intriguer. Intriguer means the person who comes outside without any permission, that is intriguer. Okay, and it's open secret that before the last election you breathe, I can see stars. I'm not feeling proper good. Okay, after this fighting. Okay, yes, after.
It's slow. It's and you are just a malicious, double-faced,
Intriguer.
yes. Here's my heart. Which way? Where's the door? Oh, I think I am lying. My foot is quite numb. And don't set foot in my house again. Take it to God. We will see. They will take him.
Natalia.
What trust can one have in one's neighbor after that?
Stop. All of three sit down. Very good. Okay. Here अब बस इन्हें तलवार निकालनी ही बाकी है, बाकी सब हो रहा है. Now three characters from boys, Natalia, Chuboko and Lomo. If you will stand voluntarily, it's all right. मैं फोर्सफुली उठाऊंगा तो खुद ही उठ जाना अपने हिसाब से.
Lomo.
Chuboko, yes. ये अच्छा था. रुको, रोज 3 जगह है. तुम क्या माने चुबोको? यस. No. We need a character. तू खड़ा हो जा. चल, तू नालायक. नटालिया बनेगा.
नहीं मेरे को नहीं पता.
I said so. Stand up. यहाँ पे हमको कुछ करना नहीं है. Stand up. That's it. You have to just speak. It's a conversation. That's it. ये चुबुको बने तो कोई रोया? ये बने थे चुबुको और लोमो. It's just a character. That's it. I want that each and everyone should speak. 2 character हो गए. Where is the third one? Whatever. चलिए. We need 3 characters. Only 2. चल. तुम. स्टार्ट कहाँ से हो रहा है? विलन से स्टार्ट होगा. चुबुको विलन. चुबुको कौन है? चुबुको नटालिया लोमो. यस. चलिए.
The villain, the scarecrow. The monster firstly takes our land and then he has the impudence to abuse us.
And that blind man, yes, that cunning ghost has the confounded seek to make a proposal. And so on. What a proposal?
What proposal?
Why he came here to propose to you?
To propose to me, why didn't you you tell me so before?
So he dresses up in
कपड़े पहन के इसीलिए आया था मीन्स आर यू गेटिंग दिस पॉइंट कि झगड़ा होने के बाद किसी को भगा दिया बेचारे को बाद में झगड़ रहा है कि वो आया था किस काम के लिए हियर इट सेज दैट के यस मीन्स ये देखो ब्लाइंड है अंधी मुर्गी ही इज टेलिंग दैट ही ये तुम्हें कुछ दिखता उगता नहीं है और आए थे प्रपोज करने के लिए नहीं वो क्या बोलते हैं
क्या प्रपोजल?
हाँ देन स्टार वो एक मिनट प्रपोजल कहाँ से आया बीच में देन सेज ओ यू तो प्रपोज करने आया था वो तो पहले पकना चाहिए था आपको ये चीज नाउ अगेन आफ्टर दैट यस ही ड्रेसेस लाइक इवनिंग क्लोथ चलिए
To propose me, bring him back, bring him here.
bringing whom here.
Quick, quick, I will fetch him.
चलो आगे
What's that? What's the matter with you? Oh, unhappy man that I am. I will shoot myself. I will hang myself. We have done for now.
And then fetch him.
नाउ चुबुको से
To who? At once, don't hear.
What have they done to me? Fetch him back, fetch him.
He is going, and so on.
अरे ही इज कमिंग
He is coming, and so on. They will take him.
Fetch,
Talk to him yourself. I don't want to.
fetch him.
He is going, coming. He is coming, I tell you. Oh, what a burden. Lord to be the father of grown-up daughter. I will cut my throat. I will indeed. We curse him, abuse him, drove him out, and it's all due.
Okay, stop. Here he is telling this Chubukro is telling कि एक see एक तो मतलब लिटरली ही टेलिंग अब मर जाने की इच्छा हुई है एक तो झगड़ा तुमने स्टार्ट तुमने किया भगाया तुमने हमने गाली भी दे दी उसको कुछ भी बोल दिया अब भगा दिया एट द एंड बेचारे को अब नाउ शी इज टेलिंग इसको वापस बुलाओ
वापस जा, वापस जा.
हाँ वो बोल रहे हैं वापस नटालिया
Yeah, yeah. Now it was you. No, it was you.
नो इट वॉज यू मीन्स नाउ ही इज नटालिया इज पॉइंटिंग कि ये आपकी वजह से हुआ है आप ज्यादा चिल्ला रहे थे अगर आप नहीं आते तो मैटर सॉर्ट आउट कर लेते समथिंग लाइक दैट चलिए
I tell you, it's not my fault. Now you talk to him yourself.
नाउ द लोगो
My heart. Heart.
उसके टाइम पे दूसरा कोई मुंह नहीं खोलेगा आई अंडरस्टैंड कि ये थोड़ा ह्यूमरस हो गया है तो थोड़ा हंस सकते हो दैट्स इट लेकिन लिमिट कोई क्रॉस नहीं करेगा मैं पहले बोलता हूँ बंद कर दूंगा ये सब कुछ थोड़ा ह्यूमरस हो रहा है तुम सिर्फ अपने कैरेक्टर के साथ एक शब्द नहीं बोलोगे इज दैट क्लियर दायरे से बाहर नहीं हटेगा कोई भी चलिए कंटिन्यू
My heart.
इफ यू आर कंफर्टेबल और नॉट गुड कंटिन्यू बोलो माई हार्ट palpitating awfully हाँ सॉरी
My foot got to sleep. There is something that keeps pulling in my side.
Forgive us, even we were all a little hated. I remember now. Oxen widows really are yours.
My heart's beating. Your foot, my